children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Let's start our class for 5th class Science Term 1. What is our lesson name? Our lesson name is Animal Life. Today we will complete our lesson. We will continue today our remaining topic. In previous class we learnt half of the topic of how the animals are moving. Today we will complete. Reptiles. Animals that have hard, tough scales or shells that cover their bodies are called reptiles. So animals which having the tough scales on their bodies and the or cells on that are covered their body, that type of animals are called as an reptiles. Reptiles such as crocodiles, lizards, tortoises and turtles have short limbs to help them crawl. Okay, snakes are legless reptiles. They crawl with the help of scales on the underside of the bodies. Reptiles means like such as crocodiles. Crocodiles you know you can see in the picture. Lizards means चिपकली उसको lizard बोलते हैं. Tortoise and turtles they having the short limbs, so which help them to crawl is nothing but रेंगना, उन लोगों को रेंगने के लिए help होते. Snakes are also is an reptiles, but it is an legless reptiles. It does not have the legs, but it is having the scales in underside of the body that help them to crawl. Next, birds fly with their wings, which are actually their forelimbs. They use their hind limbs or legs to land on the ground, walk, run, hop and perch, scratch the ground and catch their prey. So birds, how the birds are flying with the help of their wings? They are flying which actually having their forelimbs. So they use their hind limbs. How they are using their legs? How they are using the hind limbs? They are land on the after flying they are landing on the ground. Now they are using their hind limbs. And to walk, run, hop means कूदना and perch मतलब ऐसा जमीन को खोदते ना वाला उसको पर्च बोलते हैं. स्क्रैच द ग्राउंड एंड कैच द प्रे मीन्स छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स को कैच करना. The wings of birds have feathers. Strong muscles help birds to flap their wings and fly. So the wings of the feathers have the strong muscles that help them to flap their wings and fly. फ्लैप मतलब उन लोगों के परों को क्या रहते हैं, फेदर्स रहते, स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स रहते ना, वो उड़ने के लिए हेल्प करते. द बॉडीज ऑफ बर्ड्स आर वेरी लाइट एंड हॉलो. their bones are hollow. This makes it easy for them to rise in the air and fly. All birds have wings, but some birds are unable to fly. Ostriches, emus and kiwis are some examples of flightless birds. So birds, some birds are why the birds are easily flying means the bones are very light in weight and their bodies are very hollow, so that makes them to fly easily. Some birds having the wings but they are unable to fly. What are the examples of that birds means ostriches, emus and kiwis are examples of flightless birds. Next, migration. In the cold winter months, Siberian cranes fly thousands of kilometers from Siberia to India for food and warmth. Some other birds such as sandpipers, flamingos, mallard ducks and storks also visit India during the winter. These birds return to their homes in other countries once it gets warmer in India. This seasonal movement of animals from one place to another for food and warmth is called as a migration. Migration is nothing but the seasonal movement. The animals and the birds are moving from one place to another place in search of food. That is called as an migration. So what happened in the cold winter months? What happens? Siberian cranes will be there. No, they are flying from the thousands of kilometers from another country to, they are flying and coming to the India. From where they are coming? From Siberia to, they are what are coming from the Siberia? Cranes. Siberian cranes are flying from the Siberia and coming to the India. Why they are coming means for food and warmth. Because of an colder months they are coming to India in a winter for food and warmth. Okay, so that is called as an migration, which are coming, they are flying from one country to one state to another state, from one country to another countries. That's why the seasonal movement that are moving from one place to another place in search of food and warmth, that is called as a migration. Some other animals migrate to escape harsh weather to search for food and also to breed. Migration is also important among the birds. So some animals also their migration is nothing but moving from one place to another place. Why they are moving the animals means for food and to breed. So migration is most common in the birds. Fishes such as eels live in rivers. They travel in large groups to the sea to lay eggs. So in fishes what happening, they having the eels. River will be a very big place, no? So they are traveling from one place to the another group such that to lay the eggs. Okay. Many kinds of butterflies also migrate. Monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico and back. So butterflies also migrate. So they are also migrating. They are also flying from one place to another. Like monarch butterfly are flying from Canada to Mexico and they're going back to Canada only. And your homework is this movement of animals. You have to write all these table one time homework. I hope you all understood the class. We completed our second lesson and I will send you the question answers and objective you have to write. Thank you.